What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ki pratali ki kinhuan seng bhalang jong ki karbi ha ka khat saw trik risaw kila IT ka dorkas siya Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Chief Executive Member CEM ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC ban Dawa tuklar mardor halor ka jingakan at badangsyen ha kasnong tapan bat halor ki waypat ki mat ki bayade bat uput usam hapo ka Assam Meghalaya ha West Karbi Anglong ha ka dorkas kini ki kinhuan seng kila panpaw ko jingsngo kya ka bajur halor ka policy ya shim ya ai give and take bala shim da ka sarkar Assam bat Meghalaya ban penbet ikikam ya ka japut hapdeng jongki kabakan thop ya ka block 1 bat 2 jong ka West Karbi Anglong kila pen scam bakat kum ka history kini ki jaka ki dei jong ka Hima Karbi ha ka ba ka nong ba handai ka don ha socheng hajan khanduli bat ba ki jatbin riu Karbi ki dangai biteng ban bat ya ka jinglong ba yai ne ha ka bor sen shar tan ra jongki kila dawa badai ban buram ya ka ni ka jingpen bana bat kenturu ya ka KAAC ban ra ya ka ni ka kam bat ka sarkar Meghalaya ban penbet khaddu no halor upur usam ka kenhuan kala kedoru ya ka notification jong ka sarkar Assam number TADR 3150 laitrik risaw khat khandai spa sanpo ka bakan thop ikijaka bala shongshnong dagi Karbi ha jaka bala tip kham hashwa kum ki Mikir Hills ka bakdop ya ka sipsagar Naugong berkejuai subdivision belatip kung ke blok 1 bat 2 hapo jong ke Karbi Anglong district. Kila dawa badai ban buram ya kani notification bat kentu ya ke KAAC ban ra ya kani ke kam bat ke sarkar Meghalaya na ka benta ka jingpen bet ka bakhaddu halor upur usam. Ka dorkas kala keno ru baya ki mauput la penjulor no de ki runar na Meghalaya hak ar punyo tarik naitung arjar pesan kabala nang penjur ya ka jingakan an hakitan kapun. Kini ki seng kila dawa ban penyeng biang mardor ya kini ki mauput kumbala bot na du ningkong haus nam kat kendai spak san puai bat khot ru ban pen up de ki bor shipai hai ki jaka kaput ka Assam Meghalaya ban khangla na ki jingakan an hadin habun haba pen pau ka jing sngo kia halor ka jing sha penyap jong led oriwel timung ki kinhuan seng kila kentu ya ka KAAC bakin betha iki bor senshar ban perking ya ka let ka wan hapdeng ki jela klem da yo shwa ya ka jingbet bat ban pentikna ban a jingada ya ki mensim brio bat ya ki jingdan jing em hapo kathan kila kerpat ru ban plet jingmot haki kampen roy ha West Karbi Anglong khamtam haki than khaput hakaba kila ong bagi jingte kilat yo kam yo jam bat kilat a jing sumar kila sadien shibun haki jaka khaput bemarjan ka Meghalaya ban pentikna ya ka jing bishar hok na ka benta ulid oriwel timung kador khas ka dawa ban ke mardor ki tu ki badan kti halor kani ka kam penyam ban penyo kam sarkar ki bahyeng hasam jong uni ulanon bat ban penyeng ya umon kum ka jingburam ya u hakasnong tapan ya kani ka dor khas la soilang da ubudho terang president bat ubarna bas killing general secretary jong ka Karbi Students Association KSA Samsing Hanse vice chairman jong ka joint action committee for autonomous state JACAS Avinash Kramsa naka Karbi Youth Association KYA, Tingko Yingti Kathar naka Seng Karbi Farmers Association KFA, Moses Teron naka Seng Karbi Unemployed Youth Association KUYA, Longsodar Engleng jong Karbi Students and Youth Council KSYC, Roshan Teron naka Seng Karbi Anglong Indigenous Youth Association KAIYA, bat ka Priscilla Terangpi naka Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum KAWJF. Kini kinongalam kilapan pa ko jingkermen ba CEM ka KAAC unshim kia daladehi ban wengi ki jing kanang man pentik na ya ka syongsuk syongsan bat ka roy ka par jong gipat ba ka West Karbi Anglong.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.